Hi, hello and welcome to Mr. Biomedical. So this video we are going to see about the Lifepak-20 defibrillator, which came in for AC mains not coming. So we know if AC mains is not coming, there will be a problem with power supply board, and other than that the battery is working, so machine is getting on. So now this is a power card. I'm checking the AC supply, and as you can see, the output of the power supply power card is 232, so which is good. So we will insert the power card into the machine and see what happens. And inserted. See, there's no AC mains. AC mains indicator is not coming. So the problem is with the power supply board. But otherwise machine is getting on, and we can do whatever. We can select the energy and we can discharge the energy also. So let's begin with the power supply board. Before that, we will remove the power card and open the machine and see what's inside. So I opened the top cover and you can see the capacitor here. So this is a high volt capacitor which is giving the shock to the patient, and we will remove that by unscrewing the two screws, and it is protected with the ring, plastic ring, and we can easily remove it by using a screwdriver. After removing that, we will remove the power supply under the main board, and it is not the main board, it is like a power communication board or something else. So under the communication board there will be a power supply board. So let's open it up. Now I removed the power supply board, and most of the power supply board issues can be solved by the visual inspection. So in this case, what I'm going to do is first check the input, input shortage or something else, and then I will check for the output short, and after that I'll see there's no inside input short and there's no output short. So then I will go with visual inspection, and here nothing, but when I turn the board I can see something. But before that we need to unscrew this one and remove the plate, and it is acting like a heating plate, I guess. Let's open it up. So if you are having any issues with your machines or something else, you can just call me, and our service center is always open for you, and you can just send the machine to us. And we have trained engineers for these things, and we are doing SMBS, SMD and micro level repair. Okay, so if you're having any doubts or something else, you can call this number and get the support immediately from us. Okay, let's start with the visual inspection. And yes, I can see some burn marks here, and I can see, yes, here fuse blown. Fuse blown is always a thing which which can be a factor for something else somewhere else, or something else, that component getting short or broken. As you can see here, there is a broken varistor. So it is noted as MOV in every power supply board. So we should change the varistor and fuse now, and after that we will see for any other component short or something else. So let's do it. Now I removed the varistor and fuse, and we will replace it with a new one. Now I have a 2 ampere fuse and the varistor to replace the old one. So I have a new one. So let's replace and see what will happen. Now I replaced both of the components, and as you can see, there's a varistor and fuses new, and I've checked the other components also, and I'm not getting any short or something else. So let's do it in to the machine and see. Finally the battery is here, and I connected the circuits, and under the communication board there is a power supply board, and let's see. See, AC means indication came. So let's get it on, and the machine is switching on. So if you have any comments, just comment below, and if you have any suggestions are always welcome. Subscribe the channel if you love the contents, and we have a lot more, and we'll do something else next video. And I'm going to pack these things up and give it to the customer back. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon with other video.